So good day everyone, I am Midshipman Hinralaw Chris Jiram from Section J2F-1 of PMI Colleges Bohol. And for this video, we will be talking about water integrity, keeping ships afloat at sea. A ship at sea faces constant challenges from the water around it. The ability to keep water out, known as water weight integrity, is absolutely vital for its safety and the safety of everyone on board. What is water weight integrity? Water weight integrity refers to a ship's ability to prevent water from entering its hull and internal compartments. This ensures the ship stays afloat even if part of the hull is damaged. Think of it like this. A ship is designed with multiple barriers to keep water out. The ships have three major compartments. It is the watertight bulkheads and watertight doors and hatches. Several key components of work together to maintain water weight integrity are the following. Watertight bulkheads that refers to the internal walls that divide the ship into separate compartments. Water weight doors and hatches. These are special doors and covers designed to create a watertight seal when closed. The primary function of water weight integrity is to divide the ship into separate compartments. If the hull is breached, only the affected compartments will flood. The watertight bulkheads prevent the water from spreading throughout the entire ship. This compartmentation is crucial as it limits the amount of water that can enter, allowing the ship to remain afloat even when damaged. Maintaining water weight integrity is paramount for safety. It helps prevent sinking in various scenarios, just like collisions, grounding, and hull breaches. Watertight integrity isn't automatic. It requires constant vigilance and maintenance. This includes regularly inspecting and testing watertight doors and hatches to ensure they seal properly. Maintaining the integrity of the hull and bulkheads, also training the crew members on the importance of watertight integrity and proper procedures. Watertight integrity is a fundamental aspect of a ship design and operation. By preventing water from entering the ship, it safeguards the vessel, its crew, and its cargo. Careful designs, proper maintenance, and well-trained crew are essential to ensure watertight integrity and keep ships afloat. That's all for this video and see you again for our next upload. Daghang salamat!